I heard it through your comm. It was delayed. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Even in front of us. It's like we've gone to a different world. Those houses. Yeah, those houses would be sweet. Yeah. I'm down. Oh, I can even see my watch. Welcome back, everybody. Today is Tuesday, the 16th of September. And I could actually see my watch because I'm wearing glasses for the first time. And we have the beautiful Deborah. And we have her mic'd up, so we might get to listen to her. And we are out on a ride. We came in kind of late. We've been out for, I don't know, 45 minutes or so. And we are just kicking around. Oh, look at that, church building. Whoop, whoop. Yeah, so die. That's Mr. Motorcycle Man. So we are just out. That's not purple, that's blue. So she started this when we were just talking. She was driving and she hits me and she's like, slug bug. Well, I've kind of taken over the slug bug game. So she came up with purple punch. Now, what's not fair? Okay, so purple, she sees something purple and she hits me or she says purple punch. But a purple vehicle, yes. But every time I say purple punch, she says, that's not purple. It's purple. It's purple, people. See, that's blue. That's blue. Well, that's dark blue. That's purple. Purple punch. See, that's blue. And the car turning and all the stuff we got going on. I don't know if I've been out this way. If I have, it's... Yeah, and I think the road goes to nothing. I don't know. We'll find out. We're just riding. See what's out here, right? Right? Dairy Queen! You gonna buy me Dairy Queen? I'm gonna fix dinner. But we can have ice cream first, can't we? Look, it's a unicorn. Because it's a base model car. Yep, unicorns. There's another motorcycle up there. Yeah, I'm really not digging these glasses. Hey, how you doing? Hey, that's a lady. You see that? Oh, okay. We'll have to do Dairy Queen tonight. I think I'm going to jump on Amazon, and I noticed that they have sunglass bifocals, but they're just like readers on the bottom. Right? Nice. That means Walmart's going to have their things to beat them. That would be a pretty RV park up there, overlooking. road that we came off of, and I came this way, but I turned around. Yeah, we got to find more some places new. I think what I'm going to have to do is start riding in between, like here in Austin, but on the west side to find new roads. Yes. And now that the weather's breaking, we can... Oh, look at that back here. Is that the lake? I bet you that's Canyon Lake. Yeah, because I see the water. Nice. See, that's what's cool about the Spider, is if you come into something a little too hot, you just hit the brake. Well, like on two wheels, if you come into something too hot, you wreck. You know, you can get on the brake and try to lean over and get around the corner. But with the Spider, I mean, you can do it with the Spider too. Come in way too hot and it's just not going to stick on the road, but you can just jump on these brakes as hard as you want and go right into the corner. I bet you we're going to dead end into the lake. Go swimming. Okay. Yeah, look at that. There's the lake. '57 Chevy up there. Where at? Okay. I'm gonna paint my truck that color. Negative Ghost Rider. Yep. Bow ramp 10. Yeah, so we'll probably have to turn around if there's a... You said a park this way? Yeah, then we'll have to turn around or they'll want to charge us money. People walking their fur brats. Okay. You call them fur babies and I'll call them fur brats. Oh, that marina is kind of dried up now, isn't it? Right? All right, we'll turn around right here. Fishing dock. We'll go to the fishing dock. Doo-dah, doo-dah. I bet it's still out of the water. Oh, wow. Look at this one. It might actually be in the water. Dang. I wonder if that's the Guadalupe coming in. There's some deer. Oh, there's some big doggies. I bet they are dying. How being crazy black. What are they, little labs? How pretty they are. It's pretty. That would be crazy if that's where the river comes in. Oh, well, hi. Oh, you're good. Oh, you want some lovin's too? Oh, just some good doggies. I was not expecting that. Dogs are silly. See, that's the difference between a dog and a cat. They'll come up and be like, oh, you're new, pet me. I'm a good person. And cats are like, yeah, no. I'm gonna run and hide. No, I mean, that's kind of like why I like cats, because there's deer coming across us. Yep. Because when I'd get home and I was tired and all the chaos of the house, you know, and then you had little Jack, and he's like, love me, and it's like, I don't have the energy for you. Yeah, we're gonna have to do something with these glasses. Well, let's just take a look. Boom. Yeah, we'll find out. We'll just start going down it and see what it looks like. And if we have to put it in reverse and get away from the boom booms, we will. There's a sign, so we'll know pretty quick. Marina parking. So we can just come down in here and see what it is. Have you ever been on a sailboat? Me neither. It seems like a lot of work. Oh wow, they got the Marina way out there. Oh crap, it's a big bump. Well, that's cool that they kept the Marina open. It's just way down here. That's cool. That's cool. Then everything's coming back. Yeah, Shelly said that Farmer's Almanac said it's going to be a wet winter, and she's like, I don't know if that means rain or snow. I'm assuming it means rain. Those are nice houses. Yes. Right. Yeah, I prefer rain too because my truck's not four-wheel drive. I think this is a walkway, or a small boat ramp. I'm not gonna go down any further. And we got like super good brakes, so we're not going anywhere. I promise you that. It's pretty. I love water. Beep, 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 beep. Oh yeah, maybe. No, that's on the other side. Nope, this is a different marina. Yeah, that one's on the other side, so we would go down the lake and it would be... Yeah, it's pretty. I dig it. everybody go. So thank you for watching. If you could give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody. I'll see you down the road. Now it's time to... Oh, yeah, she said bye. Yeah, it's going to be a beautiful sunset tonight. I do love the sunsets.